Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me. Have this 2022 Kia Niro EV electrical. Alright, electric. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. Just press that. This guy. You gotta go all the way to the gear. Right there. Okay. Then you scroll down with this or up. And you're gonna go to service interval. Press and hold the OK button. Just press it there. Okay, press it and hold the OK button. There you go. It's gonna ask you to reset time and distance. Press OK, yes. There you go. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2022 Kia Niro EV. Alright, have a good day. You know where to find me. Axtuo. Catch me in the next one. Vroom.